Welcome to 3214 Leaphart Rd, Suite BB. We are inside of the common area of this suite. Its common area space is shared with another tenant on the other side of this unit, but this is the common area. You have a lobby entrance with the front door there. There's also a water fountain and handicap accessible bathroom as well, with a sink and commode. There also are some other spaces inside as well. Just a fridge area, but not sure about access to those with the other tenant, but you can confirm those details with the office. There's also a small kitchenette space over here as well, just a small break room space.
Thank you so much.
Hi, thank you.
And the actual unit is this way, so now we're to the side of it. So you have a 2-room office suite here. A large room off the entry. You have nice high ceilings in here. Neutral paint and luxury vinyl plank hardwood flooring as well. There's a window to the front near the parking lot. Also crown molding inside. And then you have a almost full height wall open at the top to a separate office space that is smaller in the back, so you could accommodate 2 private offices or just have this as a meeting room or break room space with a more open configuration out in the area here. So that completes our tour of this space at 3214 Leaphart Rd, Suite BB. You can find more information online at turnerproperties.com.